Did you know you can promote your events on DiscoverIreland.ie, visit Dublin.com and Ireland.com for free? With your event listing, you can promote to millions of visitors, build brand awareness and help new audiences find you online. Hi, I'm Catherine, and in this video I will show you how to create a quick and effective event listing on Fáilte Ireland and Tourism Ireland's consumer websites to help your event stand out from the crowd. So let's get started. To begin, visit FáilteIrelandEvents.ie. Here you can register your upcoming events. Make sure to submit your events early because it can take 5 to 10 days for them to appear on site. And the longer your listing is live, the more people that will see it. First, fill out your name and contact details. Next, it's time to talk about your event. Add a catchy title that draws people in. Something like the Wonders Festival, for example. And select an event type from the drop-down menu. Include when your event is set to take place, so visitors can plan ahead and save the date. Include what time the event is due to start and end too. Now include a short teaser description of your event. Make the most of the 250 character limit and include standout details that will be sure to catch readers' attention, such as free to visit or dog friendly. Below this, add a more detailed description of your event. You have up to 750 characters to really sell your event. A good description is key to success of your event listing. It helps readers to imagine themselves at your event and share the things that make it unique. For example, is your event the first in Ireland? Does it happen every year? Next, provide a short description for search engines to help people to find your event listing online. This can be similar to your teaser, but no longer than 140 characters. Include important details such as what the event is, when it's happening, and where. In the next section, select your target audience. Is your event family friendly or is it aimed at adults only? The final step in this section is to include a website link so more people can find out about your event. You can link to your business's website or a dedicated events page. Next, enter the address for your event. In this section, add a booking website or contact number for your event so people can easily make a booking. If it's not relevant, feel free to skip this step. Now, select if your event is free to attend or if people have to pay for admission. If the price of your event varies, list the price that most attendees can expect to pay. The final step is to upload images and videos that promote your event. You can upload up to 6 different files. Make sure to use high-quality horizontal images, also known as landscape, that clearly show what your event is all about. If you hosted a similar event in the past, you could include images from it, and a YouTube video if you have one, to give people a taste of what to expect. You'll find lots of tips on the best images to use here. Now it's time to review. Double check that everything is correct and keep an eye out for any spelling mistakes. Once you're happy with everything, submit the form and you're done. Your Fáilte Ireland event is a great way to ensure that your event receives maximum exposure. If you need any help getting your event listed, the events team can assist you. So there you have it. In other videos, we'll share tips on how to promote your business on our consumer websites. I'll see you next time.
And don't forget, for more great tips, resources and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at FáilteIreland.ie.